How male porn stars maintain erections to last longer. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications of new video. For the best natural pills that can help you with erection and ejaculation, click the link in the description of this video. The question has popped in our minds at least once in our lifetime: how do male porn stars maintain such a long and hard erection to last the entire 1 hour long porn movie? And if you like to be more realistic, an hour-long movie takes multiple hours to shoot. So, how on earth is it possible to stay hard for hours and hours on? Well, we have the answer now. Staying hard is a challenge that most porn stars face, Peter North told a men's health website which wanted to study about the subject. Everyone thinks it would be so easy to stay hard on set, and it's not easy at all. For the best natural pills that can help you with erection and ejaculation, click the link in the description of this video. In fact, it is very common for male porn stars to suffer from erection problems. There's the lack of intimacy or chemistry with a partner, the film crew, the pressure to achieve erection on cue, maintaining an erection during still photographs, etc. So most male performers experience a failed scene early on in their career. Too many failed scenes will ruin a performer's reputation. Christopher Seg, who is a former porn star. Pills to the rescue. Most of the male stars use medication, such as Viagra and Cialis, and even injections, so that they stay aroused on the sets. Many porn stars have even got penis pumps implanted. Pills can make a penis look flushed, but more often than not, the actors don't have an option other than to pop a pill before the shoot. For the best natural pills that can help you with erection and ejaculation, click the link in the description of this video.